So, my slider came off my zipper, and I'm thinking how the heck to put it back on. I can't put it through the top because of this stopper, and I can't put it through the bottom because of this stopper. So, I thought of an idea to take scissors and to make a very small cut like I did so right here. And then you take this. Oh, can't do it both. Holding the phone, I'm doing this. Hold on. Okay. So you take the zipper. And you hold it like this. And then you just put it through. And look. It's back on it, the zipper. The only thing now, you have to sew this up. Because every time you're going to bring it up, it could like fly off. So all you do is have to sew this up. And that's it. Or you could even put like hot glue for it to stick together. Okay, thanks for watching.